In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Hailuo AI account. We'll keep this quick and clear so by the end you'll be signed in and ready to explore. All you need is a web browser and your Google or Apple login. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to hailuoi.video. Type it directly into the address bar to avoid typos and check that you see a secure connection indicator in your browser, like the lock icon. When the homepage loads, give it a second to finish rendering so all buttons appear correctly. A stable connection helps here, especially if you're on mobile data. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the homepage for the sign in button. On desktop, it's typically anchored to that lower left area. If you're on a smaller screen, it may shift slightly, so scroll a touch if you don't see it immediately. Click Sign In and a sign in panel or a new window will open. If nothing happens, your browser's pop-up blocker might be preventing it. Temporarily allow pop-ups for this site so the sign-in window can appear. Now, choose how you want to authenticate. Sign in with Google or sign in with Apple. Both options are secure and convenient, and either one will create your Hailuo AI account automatically the first time you use it. No separate password to remember. Pick the account you want associated with Hailuo AI, especially if you keep work and personal profiles separate. If you choose Google, select your Google account when prompted, review the permissions, and confirm. You may be asked to complete two-step verification, like entering a code or approving a prompt. Go ahead and finish that to proceed. If you pick Apple, you'll authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Apple may also offer the option to hide your email. Choose what you prefer and continue. In both cases, the process should only take a moment. After you complete the sign-in flow, you'll be redirected back to the Hailuo AI site already signed in. That's your confirmation that the account is set up. If you see a dashboard or your profile area, you're good to go. If you accidentally use the wrong Google or Apple account, simply sign out and repeat the sign-in with the one you want. And if you encounter an account already exists message, it usually just means you've signed in before with that provider. Continue to proceed. That's it. Go to the website, click sign in at the bottom left, and choose Google or Apple. You've created your Hailuo AI account and you're ready to explore.